In front of me is CUBOT P40, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open your phone dialer, and then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots, one in the right upper corner, so just click on it and then select settings. Here click on voicemail and reach notifications. Now pick advanced, and here you'll not notice sound, so smoothly select it. And here you've got all the options that you can apply, so let me show you all of the sounds that you can add to your voicemail notification, and then we will pick the one that suits the most to this device. I will just volume it up a bit. And then just pick the one that you like the most, so I will pick, for example, on the Hound, tap on OK, and that's it. As you can see, it has been changed. So this is how you can smoothly and easily change voicemail notification sound. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.